So this video right now throws a very clear limelight of what people are talking about when they are talking about bringing cow into the city. All right, between a herder and somebody driving by, they got into a heated argument. You know why? Because the person driving by decided to do a video and video the cows and not the herder. So the herder decided to confront the person that is driving. Take a look at this video and be the judge of the video by yourself.
Blocking our vehicles. What's your problem? What's your problem? What's your problem? You say what?
Why the video my car?
I shouldn't video.
You need the video.
I shouldn't video.
I'm scared of you. Oh, I'm scared.
That's like, so why are you asking me?
Okay, why are you videoing my car?
That's what I'm asking. Why are you asking me?
Don't video my car.
You are very silly. What do you mean? Don't video your car. What do you mean that I shouldn't video? That's what I'm telling you now. You are doing the right thing.
Video what you are going to do.
That's what I'm telling you. Why are you bothered?
Video myself.
Why are you bothered?
I tell you, don't video my car on the side.
That's what I'm telling you. Why are you bothered?
See, even though that you are videoing, you cannot do anything to me.
That's what I'm saying now. So why are you bothered?
Keep videoing.
So why are you bothered?
I'm supposed to bother because of my car that you are videoing.
Yeah, I'm videoing your car. Your car is in the town.
What is the reason?
So you tell me why I cannot video.
What is the reason?
Tell me why I cannot video. That's what I'm asking you. I'm asking you.
I'm not scared of you.
That's what I'm saying.
That you are going to do.
I am asking now. Why are you bothered? Let's worry you now.
Why are you going to video my car? For what reason?
What I'm saying now. Why are you worried?
When Fulani people do something, you are.
So you Fulani are supposed to be taking cow on the city. This is development.
Okay.
This is development.
Okay. The city is not for the government. It's for you. Are you the one that?
It's for all of us. But cow, wait. Let me tell you. Cow, this is a modern time, eh? Cow all over the world. There's what they call ranch.
I don't understand.
There's what they call ranch. Where cow grow properly. But not in the city. Now, I won't pass now. Your cow, stop my car. You don't allow me to pass. No, it's stopping now. No problem.
See, let me tell you something that you don't know.
Yes.
Even though for the next time, don't try to say that you are going to video somebody's property. You understand?
Where is your property?
Don't even talk like
this is your property. This is a city.
Okay.
Anybody can video anywhere.
I'm coming. No,
you cannot tell me. So you keep your car.
Is he a cow?
That's why you should keep it in the ranch.
When I do something to your car, are you going to feel it?
That's what I'm saying. You're supposed to keep your cow in the ranch, not in the city center.
Okay, go to the ranch and take care of the ranch before you tell me that. Or you not here, is it your state?
That's what I'm saying now. Is this your state? This is our state. It's your state, it's my state.
Okay,
it's a human being, not for animal.
Okay, why do you video my car? It's for human being.
That's what I'm saying now. It's for
human being.
It's for human being.
This car that you're driving, is it a human being?
It's for human being.
It's for human being.
Yes, because it's
moving. It's for human being.
That's why it's supposed to be where it's supposed to be.
You don't have that reason to talk that.
No, that's what I'm telling you. You cannot.
You take people that they are serious, but they are not serious. They're not what they are doing.
No, what I'm saying.
No, I'm trying to explain it to
you. You know. Thank God say you know.
So when people see us, used to talk us that we don't know what you are
doing. So is it proper to be taking cow on the road?
Now if you want to see Fulani, you don't want to see Fulani people in the city, go to the bush and promote the bandits that are in the bush, then you can carry Fulani people to come to the bush. Because of what Fulani people are following, they are following the grass. It's the grass that cow is to chop. But you people know that everything that is
that is what
in the bush.
That is.
If you don't want Fulani people to stay inside the town, go to the bush and free the bandits. Fulani people are going to go back home.
Okay, you come out because of bandits.
Bandits, therefore.
Now because of bandits.
Cow, enter the city.
Who they do bandits for the bush? Who they do the bandits for the
people? Which
people?
It's you people.
Who is
any person don't go school, you don't know anything. How can he shoot gun? How can he get gun? You are the people that give them. And let me tell you something that you don't know.
Okay.
From today, don't video my cow again.
Don't tell me I should do video your cow.
Don't video my cow again. The reason why that I follow you because of I don't want any issue to say that now small thing that is going to happen. It's Fulani people that just did that. I don't want that.
So after seeing the video, Nigerians are saying that it's the confidence of the Malam herding the cows, because he told the guy that don't video my cows, that even if you video my cows, you cannot, there is nothing you can do to them. So Nigerians now say that with this few statement of this guy, say you know what they do, say it is of no use telling these people not to bring the cows into the city. However you feel about this video, Leave your comments on the comment section. I'm your girl Bella. Don't forget, it's BVI Channel 1 Plus on What is Trending.